Hello again. In this super short video, I'm simply going to show students how they can access any work that their teachers assign them from Khan Academy and then have that work posted to their Google Classroom. So, I am in my inbox. Down here, or up here, I should say, you see New Assignment Khan Academy. What is World History? So, I, the student, am going to simply click on that. Now, this is one way to access the work. And I can simply click open. It gives me, you see the title, what is world history? So I simply click open. After I've clicked on that, and then voila, there you go. It simply takes me to my assignment. I see my directions. I then click on this link, and it takes me directly to my assignment. That's it. Nothing to it. Just simply make sure you check with your teachers if you have any questions about your work. And also, please remember to read the directions that your teachers include in their work for you. Thank you so much. God bless.